The Pisans began building their cathedral in the year 1063, and it is a shining example of Tuscan Romanesque architecture. It was originally a Greek cross with two equal arms, but then eventually the western side that you see behind me was extended, transforming it into a Latin cross instead. And this beautiful facade of Pisa Cathedral, on the ground level with this blind arcade and doors positioned in odd numbers, bays, and then on top these superimposed logge, those sort of arcades that you see projecting out. And if you look carefully, this use of variety in the types of stones and the style of the capitals as well, lending the facade of Pisa Cathedral this rather exotic feeling. Now, while the outside of Pisa Cathedral is characterized by this white Carrara marble, the peculiarity of the inside is that it's divided up into 5 naves. There's a central widest aisle, flanked on either side by 2 smaller. The columns that you see are, in fact, ancient Roman columns made of granite and surmounted with original ancient Roman capitals. In fact, this use of spoliae, or ancient spoils, which was done to add prestige to the structures. And you see it both on the inside and the outside of Pisa Cathedral as well. And my favorite architectural detail of the structure is the interior facade wall, where you see the number of windows actually increase as you move up, which not only lightens the wall, but also increases the amount of light that's allowed inside.